And now we're going to start to look at see what it is that we are looking at with the new usage of the Autodesk Assistant. Okay, this assistant is going to be a dialog box that appears here on the side, at which case we will be able to be asked to ask the software specific questions or queries. Now, take into consideration that this particular item is more than anything a tech preview. Okay, this is a tech preview. With that said, let's move over to the Autodesk Assistant here. Okay, and in this particular drawing, what we're going to do is we're going to invoke the Autodesk Assistant, which would be found at the upper right-hand side, right there. Okay, with this, we can go ahead and select that item, and a nice dialog box appears. Once it clears up, it will give me a second, please. Before more than anything, I'm going to check something that is important. Sometimes this starts telling you that it's not working, and it's a good idea to check settings here. Okay, and make sure that this is on. If this is not on, you're not going to get results. Okay, so let's come back over here. And with this said, let's take a look and see this drawing. Let's say to this drawing that we want to list any and all blocks with the name chair in them. Okay, so I'm going to actually make sure that I'm inside this particular dialog box. And not only am I inside the dialog box, but I'm also inside the prompt section here. If I'm not in here and I'm not blinking in here, it's going to start appearing down here at the command prompt, in which case it's not going to give you whatever it is that you're asking for the AI. So make sure that it's here. Okay. Once in there, you can say list all blocks with the word chair in the name. Okay, so I'm asking it to give me something very easy. Go ahead and take a look at this drawing in this in the name in this drawing. Now I'm being very I'm using a lot of direct English. I'm not trying to format anything according to any syntax or anything. This is just plain English. Okay, so once this is done, once you have your little prompt written out, you come over here and you say submit it. In which case, the AI is going to go ahead and start thinking about it. It's going to start to execute. Okay, and it's executing all the whatever's happening is finding the chairs. Okay, it is now going ahead and quantifying. Okay, and it's telling me right now that there are the block name that is happening here is called chair 7, and then there's a total of 66 instances. Okay, now I can tell it select all blocks named chair 7. So let's go ahead and say that. All blocks named chair 7. Oops, gotta respell right. Okay, and let's go ahead and say that. Let's go ahead and submit it. And let's see if it selects in. You see, it's actually going ahead looking for them. But look at that. It's actually selected them. See that right there? How do I know? They're all selected right here. Okay, so I can actually go ahead and say move, for example, and from here, and there they are. Look at that, all of the chairs. Okay, so through the actual software using the AI, okay, we were able to go ahead and select specific, or rather query the software for the software to go into the drawing and look for anything that has the name chairs in it. And once again, we identified the specific name, we were able to then go ahead and do further items. Now, once that I do have to let you know about this particular software, or rather technology, it's that it is tech preview. So I would be very careful when you use this. There are things that you can't do. Let's say, for example, so select all blocks named chair. Oops, chair 7 in this drawing. Okay, and let's go ahead and wait for it. Go once ahead. Okay, now I'm going to tell it to go ahead and move all selected blocks from current layer to layer, let's say layer 0. Okay, let's see what happens with this, because there are things that it won't be able to do, and I believe this is one of them, and I just want you to see what's going to happen. Okay, it's understanding what we're asking it, and now it's telling me, okay, that the blocks are currently selected. Okay, the methodology that we are actually trying to implement cannot be done because it's not being able to move it using the properties panel. And now what it does do, it starts to give us some of the possible solutions for the particular problem of moving all of these blocks from whatever particular um, layer this is on to the new layer that we're actually asking, which is layer 0. Now, when you actually do all of this, you can actually come in here, and with this particular item, you can save the prompt into your library of prompts, and you can find the prompts right here. Okay, some of the prompts. So you can invoke one of these, which we saved earlier, by coming in here and then saying, okay, I'm going to use it. I'm going to invoke it, and it's going to go ahead and do that exact thing that I'm asking for right there. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and hit escape here.